Hi, my name is Jay Early, and I'm here to let you know that the Project 10,000 movement needs people just like you. Because the system is broken, and families feel it every day through rising costs, growing debt, and less room to breathe. But together we can change that. Together we can help more families take back control and move closer to living the American dream again. Here's the hard truth about America. In America, you can graduate high school knowing how to pass algebra, but never once be taught how to budget, manage credit, file taxes, or build wealth. Then we're shocked when grown adults struggle financially. Bear with me. That's why most people grow up learning how to earn a paycheck, but not how to keep it, grow it, or replace it. We're trained to be employees in a system that depends on our participation, not our independence. So when taxes rise, bills increase, or the economy shifts, people aren't failing. They're simply playing a game they were never taught the rules to. For someone in their 20s with a spouse and two children, that's missing education shows up fast and hard. And what this causes is decisions about money are made under pressure, not strategy. Credit cards to cover gaps, car loans that stretch paychecks thin, and taxes quietly taking more every year without understanding why. Not because they're irresponsible, but because no one ever showed them how to build stability, protect their income, or create anything beyond the next paycheck. This is where guidance makes a difference. With MWR Financial, the company we've chosen to work with our families, families aren't left guessing or trying to figure things out on their own. They work with professional advisors who don't just educate, but step in to create a true financial makeover, helping people legally reduce taxes, eliminate unnecessary debt, lower monthly bills, and keep more of the money they already earn. When the pressure starts to lift, families can plan with clarity and begin building towards the life that they were promised instead of just surviving paycheck to paycheck. And when you review the compensation plan, you'll see that MWR Financial values both impact and effort. The company is built to reward people who are committed to helping families, building teams, and spreading financial education, while also creating meaningful income for themselves. Project 10,000 isn't just about doing good. It's about being compensated fairly for the difference you're willing to make. So let's look at how our partner, MWR Financial, rewards those who step up, take leadership, and commit to Project 10,000. Now, regardless of your income goals, this plan is designed for your success. If you take a look at the three slides that are encumbered by those red rectangles, I'm going to start with the first one, which says Executive Director. That means on your team you have 36 people. I didn't say you brought 36 people into the business. You only need 3. I'm saying that you have 36 people. That gives you a daily residual pay of $50 or a monthly residual income of $1,500. If we go down to 300 at regional director, you're now receiving $200 a day or $6,500 a month. That will have some people leave their job and start helping others in Project 10,000 full time. Let's go down to national director. It really gets interesting here. Now your team has grown to 1,200. Your daily pay has also grown to $1,200 a day. That's $19,500 a month. Okay? That's $237,000 a year. That puts you in the top 5% of earners in the United States of America. But let's say you're striving to become a 1%er in America. That means a vice presidential director, which means your team has grown to 6,000. You're now earning $3,000 a day, $90,000 a month. That's just over $1 million a year. Congratulations, you're now officially a 1%er. That's 1% of all the top earners in America. That's a great achievement. But here's the thing, what I want you to think about. Think of the number of families that you've helped in order to get there. And that's what Project 10,000 is all about, okay? Now, as you can see, this wasn't about hype. It was about awareness. Let's review what you've seen. Why families struggle financially, the cost of missing financial education, a mission built to serve working families, and a system that rewards impact and leadership. Now the question is simple. Is this for you? Project 10,000 isn't for everyone. But if you feel called to help others, lead with purpose, and build income aligned with impact, then this is a moment for you to make a decision. So, what I would like you to do is get back with the person who actually sent you this presentation and let them know if you're ready to start helping some of the thousands of people in America who really, truly need a financial makeover. I want to thank you for your time, and I pray that I'll see you on the inside. God bless.